Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. I just want to show off the final product of the final build on the 70 f100 custom 4x4. Um, Came out pretty good. Two-tone green, the dark green on the interior, light green on the outside, field green, I should say. Came out good, and the black steel wheels, and using the black bumper on there, and the West Coast style mirrors on there. Then got the big 390 V8 in there. Very simple truck, and really like how it came out. I know I have another one in my stash to build, but not quite yet. But I will build in the future. I mean, this did come out good, and it's my style truck. It's the regular cab with the long bed, and everything looks good on it. So, and I got new projects in the works. But I'm trying. This video will basically be on this truck right here. So, hope you guys followed along and watched all the videos on it, me building it and stuff. So, hope you guys liked it, and thanks for watching, guys. All right. After the video, I'll put a photo slideshow on there, so you guys can see that, and I will put up the upcoming videos that you guys can see how far those are of the next projects. Thanks for watching, guys. All right.